Welcome to Inspire Tech. Now, let's take a quick look at some highlights from our tutorials. The latest tech news and handy tips to help you get the most out of technology. If you're a tech enthusiast or just someone who wants to know more about the latest gadgets, AI, and smart devices, then this is the channel for you. Cut to quick clips of tutorials, news, and tech tips. We bring you the best tutorials, news, and tech tips so you can stay informed, be inspired, and get the most out of your tech. From the latest smartphones to the coolest gadgets, we've got you covered. I'm really excited to share all this valuable information with you. Here on our channel, we're all about bringing you the newest updates in a fun and useful way. And if that's not enough, we also have a host who's super enthusiastic about all things tech. So if you want to stay informed, be inspired, and get the most out of your tech, then hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to never miss an update. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated with Inspire Tech, where your journey to the future begins. This is Inspire Tech, where your tech journey begins.